We're gonna get in here and take the cutting from that old wood, and you can see I'm gonna go down here to where it branched off from last year, or the year before actually, and I'm gonna cut this right there. Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
And good morning to you. Happy Sunday. It's Science Sunday around here, and we've got a fun project coming up on day 167
of the Spoken Garden Daily. So guys, we're out in our garden filming different projects every day to help you become a better gardener.
And we're so thankful you're here today, you guys. Thank you for watching, and go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on all the daily videos.
So guys, today, Science Sunday, we're taking more lavender cuttings, but Spanish lavender cuttings.
Yeah, we love our Spanish lavender and of course want to make more of it.
So we're gonna show you our setup and get to work.
And it's summer and I'm already wearing my fleece coat because it's cold out today, you guys. It's definitely fall.
Yep.
I don't know if it is, if you're feeling it in your area, but
we're feeling it here. Fall's in the air.
It's cold. Okay, so kind of like if you've seen all of our cutting videos in the past, and if you haven't, we've taken cuttings of lavender, rosemary, salvia, and hydrangeas most recently. And they're all doing really well. Oh, and we took mint cuttings. So we have quite an extensive list of cuttings.
There they are, right there.
I know, and they're doing really good. So if you're familiar with our setup, we like to kind of experiment a little bit. We're gonna take 12 cuttings total off of this plant.
Boom.
4 of those cuttings are going in these pots, which is just potting soil from Espoma Organic. We love Espoma potting soil. And we'll throw a link down below if you're looking for some good potting soil, because we highly recommend. We have these 2 round containers also full of potting soil, but these cuttings are gonna be treated with root hormone. So we'll probably throw 2 cuttings in this round pot and 2 in here. So for a total of 4. And then, as always, we love experimenting with water cuttings. So our previous lavender cuttings rooted very well in water. So we're gonna throw 4 cuttings in there.
And we'll be using those pruning shears to take the cuttings and prep them.
So Sean already pointed out the mint cuttings. They're doing really well. We've got tons and tons of roots there. These, you guys, are our previous lavender cuttings from our English lavender plant. And these have already rooted. They're growing into new plants. Yep. And they're flowering.
Apparently.
We should probably pinch that off, huh?
Yes, we should.
Should I pinch it right here?
Yes.
Okay.
Good job.
So that, as much as we want this to flower, we want this to grow and expand and not put all its energy into the flower.
Yep, they all started out as single stem cuttings, and look at them now. They're really doing really well.
Oh my gosh, I mean, they're huge.
So guys, we're gonna take our cuttings using our Corona hand pruners. Here we go. Here's our Spanish lavender. We've looked over this and you can see really quick, here's some of the new growth from this year. And that's all well and good. We don't want to get into that new growth just yet because we just transplanted this a couple months ago into this pot. So it's going through a little bit of transplant shock. We don't want to stress it out any more than it is. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to take this wood right here where you can see Allison went through and deadheaded the flowers that were on here earlier this spring and summer. So this is a little bit older wood. You can see the older leaves from last year there. And so you see all the new growth coming out from these axles. We're gonna get in here and take the cutting from that old wood, and you can see I'm gonna go down here to where it branched off from last year, or the year before actually, and I'm gonna cut this right there, right up close to that stem. So guys, you just saw us take the cuttings. If you want to see how we prep the cuttings step by step, look at our earlier cuttings for just regular lavender, English lavender. We're going to treat these the same way we treated those. So you can check those out from our previous videos, and the links will be down below in the description. We'll have them all laid out for you.
All right, you guys, another plant has been propagated in this yard.
We always need more plants. We always want more plants, so this is great.
This is so great. So we're gonna have English lavender and Spanish lavender to add around our yard. And the next lavender we need is fern leaf lavender.
Oh yeah. And guys, before we go and wrap things up, we wanted to remind you that we're gonna go live this coming Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and we'd love to see you there.
We would love it. We're actually going to plant a fall container with you guys, so we'll be doing that and some other fun things while we're hanging out. So come stop by, say hi, and let us know that you're there.
Yeah, it'd be great to see you all there. So guys, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Yeah, that's a wrap for today's Science Sunday, guys. And we'll be doing an update in a couple weeks when we check the roots, maybe in about 3 to 4 weeks. So stay tuned for that, and we'll be back tomorrow, Mulching Monday on the Spoken Garden Daily.
So see you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.